Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.
The show must go on. Namaste everyone, I'm Megha Bhardwaj. I'm here to share a real life incident with you. We lost a very close family friend of ours due to COVID-19. The worst thing was that the marriage of his daughter was scheduled in the month of December. What a pity for the daughter. But do you know what was the last wish of his father? He said that the marriage of my daughter should be done with as zeal and enthusiasm as I was alive. What a brave decision. Because he was so thoughtful that he considered it that it is a lifetime moment of my daughter and it should not be spoiled because of my death. The family broke down, collapsed with the sudden demise of his father. They were crying in between the functions, but the marriage was done with full pomp and show. See, when we talk about these incidents, what can be worse for a girl whose father has died a few days back and her marriage is scheduled? इससे बड़ा दुख और क्या हो सकता है? One bad incident in our life, one bad day, a small thing in our life, and we stop thinking and we stop progressing. We keep on regretting for the thing which is done. Does the show stop? No, it doesn't stop. Does the sun stop rising? Sun rises every day with a new hope and new colorful day, which is always there with us to plan something new, to move ahead in life. So my friends, the point to share the story here is, rather it is not a story, it is a real life incident, and it happened with us in December. Yesterday only the marriage of the daughter was done. On the stage she was crying. At times she was breaking down. Her mother was in a bad condition. But the brother took the charge. I must appreciate him. He took the charge and he bound the family together. So we should be brave enough to face all the situations which come to us and move on in life. Whatever bad happens with us, it is that moment only, right? The show will never stop, the life will not stop. So go ahead and be very cheerful and thankful with a gratitude towards God always, that whatever we have, maybe many people they don't have this also. So thank you so much for listening to me, and move ahead in life and be cheerful always. I would like to thank Life Changers channel to providing me a platform to share my views. Thank you so much.